Hey big head, I'm locked in trying to make this bread. I can't keep on giving you time.
What's up guys, brand new channel here, Project Chili Pepper. I'm gonna go over everything I do to my Jeep and how I will be rebuilding it after I flipped it. Picture will be right somewhere over here. Right now it's all taken apart. I just did the frame and POR 15, working on some body stuff, rust, damage from the rollover, as you can see on the grill. I'm gonna be going over with you guys everything that I do, paint, parts, what I ordered. I have parts on the way. Right now we're going to Walmart, grab some semi-flat. This is all primed, semi-flat for the grill. As you can see, it was dented after I flipped, but I got that as flat as possible for now. I got seat covers coming in, new rear fenders. We'll be getting some new rubber on this thing, and you'll watch the road to it being built. So let's get to it. People are bugging during quarantine. I literally just saw a car go probably it's way up there, 70 miles an hour, straight through a four-way intersection, red light, just whoop, just went. No hesitation, no brakes, just went. Just arrived at Walmart and forgot my wallet. Be right back. And we're back. Wallet secured. Let's go grab some paint. But let's not forget, safety first. Whew. I'm not a fan of the arrows in the aisles. I got so lost in there. I do not know my way around Walmart. But let's get back and get to painting. Alright guys, that is it for today. I will pick back up on the grill tomorrow. I'll do painting. I have a vlog coming, or a video coming out tomorrow. We'll be working on the floors and the grill tomorrow night, so tune back in. And just to give you guys some background on this Jeep, I am the second owner. I bought it in high school, neglected it for a while since I flipped it last year, but our goal is to get it capable this summer for some real trails, and then just keep going from there. I'm not sure whether or not we're going to work our way up to 35s this summer. Hopefully we will, but for now we're rocking 33s on a 2.5-inch lift. We have 230,000 miles on this thing. Still runs like it's brand new. It's manual, and we'll get more into detail of what we'll be doing tomorrow. So tune back in tomorrow at 8 o'clock. We got a second video coming down, so make sure to comment, like, and subscribe for more, and to follow us on Instagram, Project Chili Pepper.